In this tutorial, we will give you an overview of a legal person's information you can obtain in Eazzy Corporate Secretarial software. Besides all the main information about the legal person, you will also be able to view in the first form the legal person's registered office address or other of its addresses, its officers, and the filing directory where you will save, upload, view the documents linked to that person. Besides its main form, the legal person's section consists of several tabs where you will be able to input and view information. Let's go through each of them. The Documents tab is where you will index and upload documents, for example, the incorporation of this entity or a utility bill. You will also be able to find out whether any of these documents need to be renewed and when, in either the dashboard or by generating reports. Alerts may be created too. The Follow-up tab will be used to manage all follow-ups you need to do with or about this legal person. The Addresses tab is where you will create, amend, or update this legal person's addresses. Please ensure they are always up to date for the automatized generation of your registers and statutory documents from the system. The Officers tab is where you will create, resign, or amend the officers, for example, the directors of this legal person. The Bank tab is where you will create the bank accounts and its signatories if you have this information. The Investment tabs is where you insert any type of investment made by this legal person and whether it has invested in shares in other entities you do not manage for you to create the UBO structure. You will also be able to view or bring about changes in its name if required in the Change of Name tab. And finally, in the 360-degree tab, you will be able to view whether this entity has been appointed as an officer in other client entities or legal persons. Here, Virtuality is appointed as the auditor of Apex Fund Ltd. Been appointed as a bank signatory in other client entities or legal persons. Is an investee in which other client entities or legal persons have made investments. Been attending to meetings with other client entities or legal persons. Is a party of in any loans, for example, made by other client entities. Is a principal in one of your client trust or client foundation. And finally, in the Share Ownership tab, you will be able to see all the shareholding that this legal entity may have in the client entities you manage. Do not forget, practice makes perfect. So you'll soon enough get the grasp of it. See you.